Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting our channel. But if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so, and we shall continue to bring you the latest news as they come. And together we shall walk with our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network, to make our Biafran dream a reality. He said, the American government regrets supplying Nigeria 6 Tucano helicopter gunship, and they may recall them because they have enough information about the Fulani Nigerian government support for Fulani terrorism, Fulani killer herdsmen and bandits, as well as the Fulani Nigerian government's unwillingness to stop terrorist groups like Boko Haram and ISWAP, because they were formed and sponsored by the Fulani Nigerian government for their Fulanization of Nigeria. The U.S. government regretted listening to a former U.S. president who lobbied for the Fulani Nigerian government and deceived the U.S. government. Because now that they know that the Fulani Nigerian government are using those weapons in order to silence freedom fighters. And they were deceived by the former U.S. president who told them, who lied to them, that the Nigerian government will only use the weapons against Boko Haram, ISWAP, and Fulani terrorists. But the reverse is actually the case. The U.S. authorities said that there is no difference between Nigerian military and the terrorist Fulani bandits. According to them, they said the Nigerian military kills indiscriminately, just like the Fulani bandits. They do the same. The Nigerian military abducts people to unknown destination, just as the Fulani bandits also do. The Nigerian government burns people's houses, just like the Fulani bandits also do. The only difference between the Nigerian military and the Fulani bandits is that the Nigerian military are terrorists in official military uniform. In other words, Nigerian military are legal bandits, whereas the Fulani Janjaweed are the illegal bandits. They work together. They work together. And that is what is happening. They may recall the 6 Tucano fighter jet helicopter gunship that was sent to Nigeria. Atrocities have been committed by terrorist Fulani bandits and Boko Haram and ISWAP against the zoo called Nigeria, including shooting down the military fighter jets, burning of armored tanks, and killing of thousands of military and police operatives. But we have never had the Fulani police, Fulani military, or even the Fulani Nigerian government burning down buildings and properties belonging to Fulani Janjaweed, who are supporters of terrorism. They have not. They have not done so. But they are quick at going after Biafrans. They are quick at burning Biafran properties and homes. My brothers and my sisters, security agents operating in no fewer than 15 vehicles, including an armored tank personnel carrier, burnt down a hotel, a residential house belonging to a Biafran, whom they thought is an IPOB member, they claim he's an IPOB member or IPOB supporter or sponsor. They burnt down his hotel. They burnt down his residential home and about 15 shops in Olu, Imo State. They did that. The incident happened at Okporo at Obo community in Olu local government area of Imo State. Community source said that the security agents, who are mainly Fulanis, some were speaking Fufude, while some were speaking French, and some were speaking Hausas. The security agents who came for the operation supervised the burning of the hotel before they left. The hotel is Ezeacho Hotel and is owned by a Biafran businessman, Chinonso Oba. 2 Biafran youths lost their lives during the operations, while some guests were also arrested and tagged IPOB members. The hotelier, country's home in Obo community, was also burnt down. It was also burnt down. You can say that the Fulani Janjaweed are ready to destroy Biafra, but they will never succeed. They won't succeed. They won't. Whereas the fighter jet that was brought down in Nigeria by terrorist Fulani bandits was brought down by men of Kachala gang near Kabaru village. A notorious terror kingpin operating around Dansado axis of the vast Kuyambana forest, Ali Kachala, known to the Nigerian government, is a foreigner. He is a foreigner from Central African Republic. He is known to the Nigerian security agencies. They know him. They said he was the one that was responsible for the shooting down of the Nigerian Air Force Alpha jet. The recent one that happened. When the military jet was down through the use of heavy artillery power on June 18, no details were available about the incident, both from official and unofficial source, and nothing much came out since then. Nothing. They know where this terrorist Fulani bandit leader is. They know his location. But they are not ready to do anything. As long as it's Fulani Janjaweed. And as long as the pilot is from Yoruba land. They never did anything about it. When a news media spoke to locals, security personnel, and other persons with the understanding of the happenings in the area, troubled by these Fulani terrorist bandits who are foreigners, it was gathered that Ali Kachala, a true terrorist with hideout in Kuyambana, was the masterminder of the monumental operation that brought down the Air Force Alpha jet, and yet no security operative were after him. Nigerian government were not after him. They were not after him. The Fulani Nigerian government, they know who shot down the fighter jet, yet nothing was done. But they went to Olu to burn down a Biafran hotel and his country home because he refused to betray his Biafran people. And as such, they tagged him IPOB member and sponsor. This is one of the numerous reasons why the Americans and the international community have resolved to stop selling weapons to the terrorist Fulani Nigerian government. They have resolved. Imagine that. Supposing that was Eastern Security Network operative leader, by now the whole of that forest would have been set ablaze. Terrorist Fulani Meyeti Allah Cattle Breeders Association have said that they will invade the United States of America if FBI go ahead with the arrest of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abba Kari. According to the national president of this Fulani terrorist group, Dr. Garus Gololo. My brothers and my sisters, thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye for now.